Hello, so I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up digital sick notes in the practice. So the first thing you need to do is create an online questionnaire to go onto System Online for your practice. This is what ours looks like. I've just taken a screenshot of it. Essentially, you want to put, welcome to copy this. It's basically just all the details for all the boxes that go into a med3 form. What happens is then that the patient can access that online, fill in the information, and then that appears as a task to your practice. You'll need to look at who looks at those in the practice, who sets them up. They come in and then they're filed into the notes. And the process that we're adopting in the after that is that the administrators who file them into the notes task the relevant GP to then issue a med3 sick note for the patient if they feel that's appropriate based on that information, and if not, then they'll call the patient or contact the patient and get further details to see whether a med3 is appropriate. Once that happens, then the med3 is in the notes. I'm using a test patient here to demonstrate for you, and you'll see there that this particular example is on the 2nd of January. And what you then do is open the med3 using the right click and view med3 image and set it up to use as open up as a paint file. What you'll see then is you've got the med3 as a paint file, and what you need to then do is add a digital signature here in the box, so it's signed. And in this case, we're going to be able to do, I've pre-prepared this. We've got digital signatures in the practice and trimmed it to the right size to fit in. Just paste it onto the sick note there, leave it in the box, and then the sick note is signed, and then you save that sick note somewhere on the in a file on the desktop for you to access in a minute. So the next step is then to send it to the patient. So you've got a signed sick note in digital form to send to the patient, and we found that the easiest way to do this is by using Accurx. So in this case, obviously, you open the patient up again. It seems that SystmOne emails don't send files very easily, but Accurx can do that. So all you have to do then is open Accurx. And what we've done is set up a template to put in the body of the text, which says click the link in this text to access a signed digital copy of your sick notes, med3. Attach your file, and as you can see, it's been saved as a PNG file here, ready to attach. Here, okay, and then what happens is, what will happen for the patient then is they will get this text with a little link to click on, and that allows them then they don't have to enter their date of birth into a web browser, and then they'll get a file with the med3 on it that they can then email to themselves, copy and print out into their employer digitally, whichever way they see fit. So that is recorded on SystmOne as being sent to the patient. It's recorded as a med3. You can print it out again, but this means that essentially it streamlines the process for us when we're going to be doing a lot of med3s for patients who are self-isolating or who are unwell with coronavirus. It stops them having to come into the practice at all to collect a sick note, which is obviously good for our population health at the moment and for the health of our staff as well. So it's a new process we've adopted, and I hope you find it useful as well.